that's not straight. Hello, my name is Swarmy and my pronouns are she, her, and today we're going to dye my whole head blonde. This is the first time I'll be doing this, so I'm a bit nervous and excited. And my friend AJ is going to come and help me get my hair dyed. They're one of my favorite people on this planet, and who's a makeup artist and hairstylist, and also a wig stylist too. Feel free to check them out, they're really amazing. They do a lot of really cool creative work, and it's just like crazy how they're not famous yet because they're so super talented. Went to Cloris for the first time, and that was really nerve-wracking, but I stuck it through. I did have a list, but when I went in for the first time, it was so jarring. Like, I've always seen it from the outside, I know exactly where it is, but then when I went inside, I was like, whoa! So, I'm going to be dyeing my hair today with these products that AJ has recommended. So what we have here is we have a VW2 powder lightener. I don't know, man. Whatever this is. It is a cream peroxide. Sounds scary. And then versus the toner we got. This was like a hot shade, but this is Wella Cream Charm T18. Also got my purple shampoo, even though I don't know what it really does. I don't know what any of these things do, so it's gonna be like a learning experience for me. We got our snacks, we got our bubble tea, so we're gonna see how it goes. And try to like not be fearful of change. I'm nervous. Excited and nervous.
Hi.
That's AJ!
Hello.
I was at Chloe, and then I was like, it was like there's a security guard, and I was like, he's talking to me, and I'm like, I was like overstimulated, and I'm like, I don't know what you want from me. I just got here. Please don't kick me out. They're mixing concoctions. I have no idea what's going on.
I'm mixing the peroxide and the bleach into a toothpaste consistency.
Gotcha.
They say you should measure it as well, but I go by the feel. You know?
I get that. If the chemicals are telling you to do what you need to do, then you listen to the chemicals.
If the stars are, aligned.
Part of me, and that's why I wore hoodies. That's why I stayed quiet. That's why I didn't make a sound. That's why I stayed home and played Maple Story, dog. You know?
Yeah.
My real friends were on Maple Story, okay?
This is not cute anymore.
Yeah. It's like, if this is your kink, I'm proud of you, but I'm not doing this for you. It's so interesting because we grew up in high school when like Asian makeup was like nothing.
Yeah.
And how fucking weird it was to use products for white people.
Yeah.
And it not working on you and feeling like you're like something's wrong with you.
Yeah,
So I never wore makeup.
Yeah.
So do I just bake now?
Yeah.
We're baking. We're baking. Bake. Okay, thank you, baby. Hair for me is just so foreign because it's like I think I also talked to you about like growing up with Asian salons and they didn't know what to do.
Yeah.
So they're like, you have thick hair and it's wavy. Like I don't know what the fuck to do with you. So they end up straightening my hair, and I'm like,
Yeah.
I hate it.
Yeah.
So, here's the look. It took way longer than I expected. We ended up bleaching it 3 times, and so we started around 3-ish. This led into the night, and it was already like 11 o'clock. But isn't this great? I feel alive, I feel good. AJ was really sweet, reshaped my bob and my bangs. Perfectly sits, feel like that anime character. I'm really enjoying it. As you can see, I'm just like touching my hair all the time. I'm gonna take these bangles off. They're cute, but they're making too much noise. I hope this inspires you to bleach your hair if you haven't bleached your hair or dyed it in any way. I hope you have a good one. Once again, my name is Shwarmy. My pronouns are she, her. And you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Twitch, where I stream lots of fun games. We play a lot of DJ Max, as well as just lots of chatting, getting to know each other and build a strong community. Take care, wear your SPF, be kind and gentle and safe.